In this lesson, we're going to talk about the different types of angles. Here, I've written all 4 different types of angles. Now, the most common angle is the 90-degree angle, okay? And that is usually represented by a kind of half square that makes a full square in the bottom of a triangle, okay? A right angle means you have one going straight up and one going straight out, making 90 degrees. You can use this handy-dandy protractor to measure it if you really want to. The important thing to remember is in all triangles, all the angles will always add up to 180 degrees. Okay? So if this is 90 degrees and these two sides are equal, which will be shown by a tick, then these two angles will both be 45 degrees. But let's talk about the different types of angles. We have a right angle triangle. We have an obtuse triangle. Even though both of these angles in an obtuse triangle are actually acute angles, the triangle is named after if it has at least one angle that is larger than 90 degrees. So for example, this has one that is larger than 90 degrees. It is actually 128 degrees. We measured that earlier with our protractor. So that angle is greater, so we call it an obtuse triangle. Over here we have a triangle, and every angle is less than 90 degrees, making this an acute triangle. Okay? Every angle is acute, therefore it's an acute triangle. Over here, one angle is obtuse, therefore it's an obtuse triangle. And down here we have another type of angle. Now this is not making a triangle, but this is measuring an angle. And this would be the outside angle of something, okay? Where the inside, you could measure the angle, but the outside is what's being measured here. And that angle is called a reflex angle because it goes greater than 180, which would be a straight line, and it goes past that. We call that a reflex angle. And those are the different types of angles.